Welcome to Daily Bite, your daily dose of valuable insights and knowledge. Today, we are diving headfirst into the world of Forex trading for beginners. If you are looking to learn how to make money online and understand what Forex is all about, you've come to the right place. Introduction to Forex trading. In the first segment, we'll provide you with a solid introduction to Forex trading. We'll break down what Forex is, explain its importance in the financial world, and help you grasp the basic concepts you need to get started. Whether you are a complete newbie or have some knowledge, this segment will serve as a strong foundation. Next, we'll explore how Forex trading actually works. We'll delve into the mechanics of currency trading, including how currency pairs function, what influences exchange rates, and the role of brokers. By the end of this section, you'll have a clearer picture of how the Forex market operates. Forex trading for beginners. Are you new to Forex trading? Don't worry, we've got your back. In this part, we'll specifically cater to beginners. We'll discuss the essential tools you need, like trading platforms and charts, and walk you through placing your first trade. You'll gain confidence as you learn the basics of Forex trading, where to invest and how to make money online. Now, let's talk about the exciting part: making money online through Forex trading. We'll provide you with tips on where to invest your money wisely and how to develop a profitable trading strategy. Whether you are interested in long-term investments or day trading, we've got strategies and insights to help you succeed. Becoming financially savvy. Join us as we dive deeper into becoming financially savvy. We'll discuss the importance of money management and share advice for students and anyone looking to build wealth through trading. Learn from the best, including insights from renowned trader Pushkar Raj Thakur. Investing in cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a hot topic, and we'll touch on its relevance in Forex trading. Discover how crypto pairs fit into the Forex market and the potential they hold for making profits. Success and wealth building. In our final segment, we'll explore the path to success and wealth building through Forex trading. We'll share motivational insights and strategies to help you achieve your financial goals. Learn how to be rich by investing wisely and making informed decisions. Octa FX Trading Expertise. We're proud to partner with Octa FX, a trusted name in foreign exchange trading. In this segment, you'll hear from Octa FX experts who will provide valuable insights and tips to enhance your trading skills. Join us on this journey to financial freedom and Forex trading success. Don't miss out on this comprehensive guide designed to empower beginners and even seasoned traders with valuable knowledge. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's embark on this exciting Forex trading adventure together.